In this video, we will show you how to cancel Azure subscriptions. Maybe you are confused after you subscribe into Azure, then you want to cancel. To cancel the Azure, you can just click this menu. Okay, Microsoft put this icon hidden like this. Just click this and select cost management plus billing. After that, you can scroll down in here and select all billing subscriptions. Then you can see this is your Azure subscriptions. Just click this and you can click cancel. After that, just click cancel subscription. Just select a reason, too expensive for example. Okay, just click this and click cancel subscription. Now our subscription has been cancelled. And that's all. Tutorial how to cancel Azure subscriptions. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.